I bet you didn't know the secrets to achieving perfect gel nails. Vocabulary words to know. 1. Manicure 2, pedicure 3, gel nails 4, cuticle care 5, UV lamp 6, base coat 7, top coat. What's something people don't know about achieving perfect gel nails? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around to find out all the details and tips you need for a flawless gel manicure and pedicure. Customer, hi there. I'm thinking about getting a manicure and pedicure with gel nails. What do you recommend? Manicurist, great choice. We've got a full range of colours, everything from classic reds to trendy neon shades. Whether you want something subtle or something that really pops, we've got you covered. Shall we start with picking a colour? This is always the fun part. Customer, sure. How about a soft pink for my nails and a bold blue for my toes? Manicurist, perfect. Now let's get started. First, we'll sanitize your hands and feet. This step is crucial to ensure everything is clean and hygienic. Then, we'll trim, shape, and buff your nails to perfection. Next up, cuticle care. We'll gently push them back for a clean base, making sure your nails look neat and tidy. Customer, sounds good. What's next? Manicurist. Now we apply the base coat, then your chosen gel colors. Each layer goes under the UV lamp to set, ensuring long-lasting color and durability. This process helps the gel polish to harden and stay chip-free for weeks. Finally, we seal it all with a top coat for that extra shine and protection. This will cost you $50, worth every penny for the quality and care you receive. Customer, wow, I can't wait to see the final look. Manicurist, you're going to love it. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the pampering. And there you have it, a perfect gel manicure and pedicure from your local salon. Book your appointment today and treat yourself to some fabulous nails. You deserve it. Don't wait. Your perfect nails are just an appointment away.